Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Thank you for being over here. Welcome to new subscribers. Today we have a quick unboxing from this new company, Outdoortide. The company link to the website and the product link is gonna be on the description box. Outdoortide is a new company. They have diamond paintings, cross stitch, exposite mold for resin work. Okay, paint by numbers, and even some garden decorations. So go and check out their website at www.outdoortide.com. The spelling and company is down in the description box. So we have today a crusty unboxing. So they have the instructions sheet for people who are new to cross stitch, how to get the thread, how to choose the color, tips, and how to wash it, and the different type of stitches that you might have to use. Also, we got over here some needles. We got about 5 needles, a threader and a thumbnail. The needles are in a pom-pom, and it's on a koi fish bag. That's neat. We have this is the picture of the item that we're seeing, that we're going to see today. This is a thumbnail. Beautiful bouquet of roses. This is a 16 count 40 by 30, and it has 30 colors. It's a 214 by 151 stitches. And here it is. The pattern looks nice. There's no smudge on it, but you cannot drop water. This won't break. You see? This won't break. But if you pour water or even a drop or something wet, it's gonna smudge, and it's gonna, because it's soluble, it's gonna disappear. And sometimes you might need the pattern to reference the symbol. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. And here we have the Aida cloth. It's a stiff, it's a 16 count, it's serged all around, so it won't fade. Here are the symbols. Nothing is smudgy. Here are the colors. You can see the DMC code. Okay, it's a 40 by 30. You're gonna have some confetti, and you're gonna have some blocking, a lot of blocking on this one. And here are the symbols, are very clear. Very clear. And it has the numbers to make reference to the color. Remember to follow the symbols in the fabric, in the Aida cloth. Okay. This is neat. This is beautiful. It's a little stiff, but you can crush it. And it's a white Aida. Okay. So this is beautiful. This is gonna be beautiful, beautiful. Let's look at the goodies. The thread. Okay, let me. Woo! It's only one card. because it's only 30 colors. So here they are. Let's see if we will. Here you go. Beautiful colors. Look at those greens. 3 tones of greens. This one was on the side. Here are the rest of the colors. Come on, hocus pocus. Hocus pocus focus. Here you go. So, and then if we do it like this, you get to see all the colors together. All the colors together. All the colors together. Beautiful. Beautiful colors for the roses. Thank you, Outdoortide, for this beautiful cross stitch. So thank you again. Don't forget, and they said discount code is Mickey05 off for a 5% discount. They have specials in there. So don't forget to go to the website. Like I said, the product and the website links are below. And thank you for watching. Thank you, Outdoortide, for this beautiful canvas. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.